This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you have your Sapphire account credentials and 2FA available because you'll need to verify identity. Once signed in, navigate to Orders or Purchases, look for the most recent order or enter the order ID. Now tap or click the specific order to open details. While viewing the order, scan the status line. If it's processing or pending, you can usually cancel. If it's shipped, the next slide explains options. Once you're in order details, find and select Cancel Order. You'll see prompts explaining refunds or restocking fees. Read them so you know what to expect. Then choose a reason from the drop-down and add a short note if the form allows, because that helps support. After that, confirm the cancellation. The system will show a confirmation and a reference number. Make sure to save or screenshot that reference. If confirmation doesn't appear, retry or contact support as described next. You finish by verifying the cancellation via email. It will state refund method and timeline, so note any amounts or deadlines. If the order already shipped, request a return authorization or arrange to refuse delivery. This prevents extra return fees. If cancellation didn't process, contact Sapphire support immediately and provide the reference number and screenshots. Ask for escalation if needed. If you see unexpected charges after cancellation, dispute.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.